Next topic, the towards the European Union. 4.9, the toward the European Union, the Council of Europeans. The headquarters of the Council of European, Strasbourg. The headquarters of the European Councils, the Strasbourg. The mainly one of the momentums decisions taken in the post-war II, the era, was a integrative the state of Western Europe. So the end of the Second World War. So First World War and the Second World War, lot of countries participated in these European continents. So the end of the Second World War, 1949, the end of the Second World War, the mainly concentrated of this the European Unions. So the integrated of the state of Western Europe. In doing of the Europeans wanted, so the European wanted the mainly for first one is to prevent the further European war by the ending the rivalry between the France and the Germany. So against the war, did not the war, the France and the Germany. The first point, to prevent the stop the further European war by ending the rivalry between the France and Germany. Second one is to create the unity in the Europeans, the Europe, to resist any threat from the Soviet Union. So they create the unity and they opposite or resist any threats from the European Unions. The third one is to form the third force of this US and the USSR. To form the third force in the world to counter balance of the strengths of the US and the USSR. And the fourth one is to make the full use of the economic and the military forces, military resources to Europe by organizing them in the continental scales. So first one is don't rivalry between again and against the France and the Germany. Second one is so they create the forces that threaten against the USSR or Russian forces to create the unity, the Europe, the resist of the threats of the Soviet Union. Third one is they create the third forces, the US and the USSR, strength of the US and USSR. The fourth one is they make the useful resources use of the economic and the military resources of the Europe organizations of the continental scales. After that, the Europeans, Council of Europeans, the May 1949, the 10 countries met in London. So in 1949, the 10 countries met in London and they met in London, signed from the Council of Europe. The Council of Europe. The headquarters of the European Council, headquarters of the Strasbourg, to establish with the committee of foreign ministers of member countries, foreign minister of the members countries, and consultative assemblies drawn from the parliament of foreign countries. So foreign country மூலமாவும் some of the committees also organized. So next topic for the European Coal and Steel Committee. European Coal and Steel Committee, ECSC. Next topic, E means European, C means coal, S means steel. C means communities. The European coal steel communities. And the European coal steel community and European defense community. European defense communities were established. So, EDC and ECSC. So, established in 6 countries. Established in 6 countries, namely France, West Germany, Italy, Belgium, Holland, and Luxembourg, belonging to the ECSC, European Coal and Steel Community, signed in the Treaty of Rome, which established another one is the European Economic Community, EEC, or the European Common Market. The European Common Market, the headquarters of these Brussels, mainly for the Brussels. So next topic, European Economic Community. E means the European, another one is A means economic, C means community. So mainly for the Europeans, EEC eliminated the barriers. EEC, they eliminated the barrier to the movement of the goods, service, capitals, and labors. So mainly with the barriers, they eliminated of the barriers of the movement of the goods, service, and the labor, goods and service, capitals, and the labors. It also the prohibited the public policies. It also the prohibited the public policies or the private government that restricted the market of competitions. Yeah, common agricultural policies, CAR, common agricultural policies, and common external trade policies, common economic trade policies, where involved the Europeans' common market was the remarkable success. So in this topic, the Council of Europeans, mainly after the Second World War, the European countries also united, and the mainly first 10 countries that joined in this, formed and established the European councils, because for the unity, the headquarters of this transfer. After that, the unity, the ECSC, Economic European Coal and Steel Communities, is formed by this, mainly for 6 countries, ECSC and EDC, the formed in 6 countries for France, West Germany, Italy, Belgium, Holland, and Luxembourg, also formed in the European Coal and Steel Companies. The Treaty of Rome. After that, the formed in these European Economic Communities. The European Common Market, the headquarters of the Brussels. After that, the formed in this European Economic Community is eliminated importance. This eliminated the barriers of this movement of goods and service, labor, and capitals. After that, the prohibited of this public policies and private agreement. After restricted of these market competitions. Another one is formed by the CAP, the Common Agriculture Policies and the External Trade Policy also involved. The European market was remarkable success in the European Unions.